Hans. This is another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. I know I'm over here, but it's like it's so much easier sometimes. So, and it's only one thing. So, we've got a package that came from a regular who comments on YouTube named Normal Girl from Charlotte, North Carolina. Shall we crack it open and see what's inside? Zip, 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 zip. I know what's inside. I'm really stoked on what's inside. And I appreciate this so much. Look. Wow. It's Buldak corn! What the heck? What the heck? I haven't heard anybody mention this stuff. It's like Mexican flavor. It tastes like Mexicans. I don't know. But that's really, really weird, because I haven't heard about this anywhere. I asked the company about it, and they were like, yeah, it's export only. We don't have it here in South Korea. And it sounded along the lines that it was like a limited market kind of thing, so like test marketing it, maybe? I don't know, but very cool. Thank you so much for sending me a pack. I thoroughly appreciate it. And hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.